Hi Jerry, well let's give this a shot here. So I'm going to get rid of the visual aids, scroll on down a little bit here, find the pics, we got that there, give myself some room here. Okay, so there's the pic right here, right? So basically you click on the pic, and what you can do is just double click on it, right? That opens up the picture or image source here, right? So you can actually put your images wherever you want to. So create your image. They're 360 by 720, 360 pixels wide by 720. So make sure yours are the same size for the smoothest transition, okay? Put them wherever you want. So in this case here, right, if I went to my site folder, right, so you put them in your images folder here, you can put them, wherever you want in your site. I'm going to make this even bigger here so it makes it easier to see, right? But if you've never used this image source tool, it'll save you a lot of time. You just double click on an existing pic. That opens up the image source tool. You use the look in here, right? This little thing, this drop down, right? Go up to the site folder or even the website folder like so, and that shows you all the folders in your site. And from there you can start going through. Okay, so I have a site folder here, I've got my themed images, there's my placeholders. I put all the 360 by 720 in the 360 by 720 folder, right? So you can create a new folder, call it catalog images, put all your catalog pictures in here, right? And then just select the one you want, double click, and it replaces it just like so. Okay, now to put the button in for your to link to Amazon, just get rid of the form. So select the form, just click the yellow form thing that shows up here, right? And then you can actually sort of, well, let's just go to the code view for a sec. This is the easier way to do it. See all this yellow stuff here? Yeah, just get rid of all of that, like so, and then you can just put a link, and you can actually just type, click, and I know you're doing this in the HTML window. It's just a little bit faster since click here for Amazon, right, like so, and then what you're going to do is just scrub over like that. Okay, flip over to the design view and then get the link window and just type in the link right here. Or copy and paste the link right in there. And then that'll create a link to take you to the Amazon page. If you want to put a button in there, then you just have to take what you could do then is add your link like so. Okay, and that's going to create this link right here. Okay, then what we can do is flip back over to the code for a second here. Now you got this A right here, and what you can actually do is add a class. I'll show you how to do this. So you go class, right, and then we're going to go button like so, and then let me show you where on the Bootstrap website to get some more information. I'm just doing this so I can show you all sorts of options right here. So go to Google and then type in Bootstrap like so, and this is because there's so many cool things you can do here. And let's go to, is it components? Nope, CSS. Click on the CSS tab. Okay, and then buttons. Okay, and there's all sorts of examples of buttons right here. So look at this. See the BTN default? You scroll on down, then you have some color buttons right here. So let's say if you want to use, like, a different color, different sizes down here, and all you have to do where it says is this class, just grab this class like so, and that'll give you a large button, right? That's probably going to be better with a small button. So I would go down to the class equals button primary button small and copy the word class and the bits within the quotation marks and just copy it. Right? And you go, wow, that's a lot of work. Well, maybe the first time it is, but after you do this a couple times, it just becomes a piece of cake. Right? It also, it shows you once you've done it a couple times, then you know what you can type in as a class. BTN, then you do space, button primary, button small, right? And you can copy and paste this A link over and over again now for all your different, right? So you just copy this, right? And then see where the form is. Just select the form, delete it, and paste that link in, and then change your hyperlink to a different Amazon page. Go down, find the next form, everything in yellow, get rid of it, paste the A link in, like I just did there, and then change your hyperlink, once again, to whatever your actual Amazon web page is. And you can just repeat that over and over again. And if I were to look at this in a window here, this is what you get, product name, and then there's your click here for Amazon, right? You can use whatever words you want, but you see how the button blends right in now with the rest of the information on the page?